The more we leverage outdoor spaces for living and entertainment during nice weather, the more energy we can save inside our powerhouse. Imagine family dinners on the deck or patio, or a fun summer party under the stars. You're giving your kitchen appliances a break and enjoying the great outdoors. What could be better? We're going to take a look at ways to make your outdoor space even more livable with Alex Wisnowski from Spotix. And Alex, thanks for joining us. If someone's just establishing an outdoor kitchen and living space, what are some of the things they need to consider first?
Yeah, there's a lot that goes into it. I mean, an outdoor kitchen, it's typically a permanent thing in your backyard. So you definitely want to take the time to plan, set a budget. They can be anywhere from very basic to as extravagant as you want them to be. They can even be an addition of the house versus kind of off to the side and separated. But when going through that planning process, the first thing to think about is the location. So if you can do it in a shaded area or add shade to the area, that's going to both help it make it more enjoyable and more livable, while also helping reduce load on appliances, especially if you have things like outdoor refrigerators that are battling the elements.
I like that. Again, you start with a plan, right? What I might think about for my outdoor kitchen. Are there things that really come to mind for someone first thinking about that outdoor kitchen?
Yeah, a big thing to consider is, where is the outdoor kitchen in proximity to your indoor kitchen? So you don't want to have to be running back and forth all the time, opening doors, letting air out, letting bugs in. So depending on how far or close it is to your indoor kitchen can also help determine what amenities you need outside. So as you're enjoying your time outside, think, what am I running back into the house for? What do I need outside? What's a need to have versus more of a nice to have? Because when it comes to outdoor kitchens, there's many, many nice to haves.
I know you also are always thinking about energy efficiency, and today, upper Midwest, a little warm today, and we have some ceiling fans and things that, again, help in terms of being outdoor, having our kitchen outside.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Energy efficiency, I mean, like I said, if you can do it in the shade, add ceiling fans, heaters, just make it more livable. So when you're cooking indoors, especially on a hot day, it can actually increase the temperature of your home by 5 degrees. So I noticed that myself. If I'm running the oven, I'm cooking. Sometimes it's my primary motivation to cook outside. So I'm not battling the thermostat indoors. So keeping that cooking and that heat outdoors, keeping bodies outdoors, can all do things to help make your home run more efficiently, especially during a hot summer day like today.
As you think about that plan and organizing, what are some things to keep in mind for my outdoor kitchen?
Yes, it's the grill is an easy one to get fixated on because it's the centerpiece of that outdoor kitchen. Also trendy are flat tops or griddles, pizza ovens, smokers, combinations of those, but really that's the centerpiece of that outdoor space. So you want to make sure you invest in something that's going to be quality enough or it's going to last you. So the cutouts you make in the island and the countertop, they can be unique to that certain grill. So you want to make sure you get something that's going to last you, and you're not having to redo your island to get something else in there. So the grill, of course, is the centerpiece, but then you also have very popular trash or trash and recycling. If you do a combination, it can be very convenient, so you separate your cans and bottles from your waste. And then outside of that, storage, and then also having enough prep space.
How about energy efficiency? You mentioned that earlier, but energy efficiency when we think about some of our appliances and things that we might have out here.
Yeah, well, like if you do have a sink, for example, do you truly need hot water, or will just cold water outdoors suffice? And if you do have hot water, it can be good to consider a tankless water heater, so you're not wasting energy there. If you do have refrigeration, ensuring that they're Energy Star rated and that they're insulated to withstand those outdoor elements as well. But outside of that, just making the space in general just enjoyable and livable regardless of the season.
We are here outdoors, a beautiful outdoor kitchen, outdoor living area, and I imagine this could be year-round, but keep in mind ceiling fans, but also some heaters, gas heaters out here as well.
Yeah, all those things are great, and they extend the season of that outdoor space. So a lot of people think, oh, outdoor kitchen, just a few months a year, but you can really extend that into those later months and earlier months by adding some amenities like that. And another thing to consider too is, depending on the size of the outdoor kitchen, you typically are going to have different zones. So you have your hot zone, which is where your grill is. You might have a cold zone with a sink and or refrigerator. And you really want to keep those separate when possible. That way the heat from the grill isn't battling the thermostat on the refrigerator. So that's a good thing to consider too.
Alex, back to the planning, and I imagine budget-wise, we're in a beautiful outdoor kitchen here. Can go as much as you'd want, right?
Yeah, there's really no upper limit to it, but you don't need to necessarily do that to still enjoy the the gathering, the time outside, the uses of it, and also the efficiency aspects too. So while you can go as nice as you want, you don't necessarily have to still get those benefits.
But that's the beauty about it, back to what we started with, having a plan in terms of what you want to do with an outdoor kitchen and living area, correct?
Yeah, having a plan and a budget. Oftentimes we'll see outdoor kitchens might be part of like a bigger backyard renovation. So maybe doing that in phases, planning it out, working with a professional on that aspect of it. We've even seen people get the grill of their dreams on a cart, and some models you can take them off. So they'll actually get the grill, they'll wait a couple years and save up for that project, do more planning, and they'll take the grill head off the cart and put it in their outdoor kitchen.
Well, Alex, you've inspired me. A lot of great information. Thanks for sharing your expertise with us. And if you'd like more strategies about energy saving for your powerhouse, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.